Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a pretty good day today, but it was a little bit disappointed and kind of boring, quite honestly. But, after some of the crazy stuff we've seen, anything is boring. You can see here the Dow took a little rest pullback here, uh, opened down and ended up closing down 288 points. Nothing too significant, but it was a pullback for the day. Uh, we were hurt a little on that. We had, I think, 24,000 in our open trade on the close yesterday, and we ended up closing that out about half of that. So we saw our profits cut in half in part because of this pullback on the open this morning. Um, we got into 7 new positions, uh, 2 positive, 5 negative, and of course we got into TVIX and UVXY, those short positions on the overall market, and they're both negative. In other words, this is was downside movement in the stock markets, but not enough to make money in TVIX. So it'll probably pop up tomorrow, but who knows? We don't know. Those stocks are in there as a hedge against a real severe crash. And if that happens tomorrow, and I'm not saying it will, but if it happened tomorrow, yeah, we'll make money in those stocks. No question about it. I'll show you just a couple of the stocks to show um, kind of where we were losing profits today. This first stock, this computer's slow. Okay, this is BRZU. This is the Brazil stock market, and we had bought this on Tuesday on this gap here, closed marginally profitable on Tuesday. Yesterday, it really took off, and up here at the top on the close yesterday, we were up about $13,000 on that trade. But you can see what happened. This thing gaps down right along with the Dow this morning, and we go from being 13,000 up here to $4,700 on our exit. So we're getting pretty close to seeing our profits cut by 2/3 in this trade alone. And we had this pattern on a couple other stocks. That's where half our profits went this morning. I'll show you one more trade, and holy smokers, there we go. This computer probably needs to be restarted. I just using too much memory on it today, doing all kinds of stuff. Um, anyway, this is Play, Play, which is Dave and Buster's Entertainment. And we had bought this on Tuesday also at the end of the day. Really big run yesterday. It took us way up here, of course, keeping us in the trade, but it kind of went limp toward the end. And this morning it gaps down, but we don't get out on that opening range. We waited, and it came back to at least about where it closed yesterday. And so we took $6,300 out in on Play or Dave and Buster's Entertainment. So that was a pretty good trade. I got did all my end of month statistics, got my portfolio out to my customers. Folks, I don't. I'm not trying to brag, but I have never seen anything like the action that we have seen um, today. I am not today, but this this year. It's just been unbelievable. And I started out uh, with about a half million in cash at the beginning of January, and in 4 months, I made just over $1 million on that. You know, that's pretty unbelievable. So anyway, I hope this can. I mean, I've had 6 months of just blazing profit. Started in November, and it's kept up through this month. So let's just hope that if we can keep this up, if we can keep up just half this well to the end of the year, I'm going to have a year like I never dreamed of having in 2020. So that's just great. So Trader Bob is happy. I'm signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.